Do you also have a website or a blog and want to create an Android or iOS app for it? Then you are watching the right video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create an Android and iOS app for your website or blog completely for free. And if you have a web app and want to turn it into an APK or iOS app, you can easily do that as well using the same method. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, open your browser and then go to appsgeyser.com. Here you will find the Create App for Free button. Click on it, and as soon as you click, you will come here. Now you have to sign up here. So first, I will teach you how you can create an APK file of your blog or website. For this, you have to select URL from the template. Then, in the box below your site URL, write your website or blog URL. After this, you have to write your app's name. Then, in the email section, write your email. After that, click on Next Step. As soon as you click on it, you will come to the next step, which is customization. Now click on Upload icon and select your app icon here. After that, select your app's color theme and then click on Next Step. Now you will come to the Features section. Here, first you will get some options. For example, you can add links to your WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. But if you want to give a link to your YouTube channel, you will need the YouTube API key for that. To get it, click on How to Find YouTube API Key. And here you will get all the instructions on how you can get the YouTube API key. After that, in the app layout view, you will get three options: slider, bottom menu, and tabs. You can choose whichever you want. Then in action bar, if you want it, select yes, otherwise select no, and then click on the download button. As soon as you click on it, the download window will appear. From here, you can download it for APK or iOS. When you click on the download button, a new window will open. In just a few seconds, your app will be created, and after it's ready, you can download it. Now I will test it and show you whether it works or not. You can see that I have installed it on my Android emulator and it is working perfectly fine. All my blog posts, all labels, and everything are showing here. And if the user wants, they can also change its color, etc. And if the user also wants to share any post, they will get that option as well. Now let me tell you about the other two options. First is HTML. For this, you just have to paste your app's full code here and then follow the same steps we did when making the blog APK. In zip, what you have to do is compress your app into a .zip file, then upload it here and again follow the same steps to create the APK. If you liked this video, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a lovely comment.